The leaders of Ka Sur U Nongmawlai, or the voice of Maulai people, were heard to stating that law and order in the state does not depend on the presence of the police, but rather on the inhabitants of different localities. They also urged upon the media and the authorities to convey to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi that the inhabitants of the state of Meghalaya are more afraid of the police than of any militant that may be in the state.
Rakyat kubur habdu haskor jong modi ong ba ka jaban riu me khaya jongi kam chimna ting le no here ka ting ya no ka ting ya no ya ki bullet men sure no ka jaban riu bat ka me khaya ka ting ya ki men sure no ki balong ki nong penyak riu ki balong ki thlen